follow the tips in this video to get the most out of your hand mixer. Always ensure a sufficient volume of liquid is used when mixing dry ingredients. We recommend to start a cycle on a lower speed setting before speeding up to reduce dry ingredients spilling out. Avoid mixing very thick and heavy mixtures, as this can cause the unit to overheat and to cut out. Avoid mixing continuously for more than 3 minutes and leave the unit to cool for a few minutes in between uses. Recharge the unit after use so it's ready to use next time. Hand wash the attachments after every use using a soft sponge and soapy water. Do not put in the dishwasher.